Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're in the kitchen and we're here to help you decide which tortilla press to buy today. As always, don't worry about taking any notes. All the links for the products we mention are in the description down below. Tortilla presses use metal plates to smooth and shape dough into thin, round sheets. It's not only a faster way to make tortillas, but the tools are also equipped with a convenient handle to help you get the proper leverage to achieve a balanced press, resulting in picture-perfect tortillas every time. In this video, we will show you the top 5 picks that will suit your kitchen needs. The team has prepared this list for you through comprehensive research. The tortilla presses that have been selected have been chosen based on product features, reviews in the marketplace, quality of finish and price, and where possible, we have been mindful of the different types of buyers. We do suggest you stick around until the end to see who wins the #1 position on our list. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay with us in the kitchen, especially if you're interested in more informational, list-related content just like this one. Remember, you can find the options to our list in the description down below, as well as timestamps to help you navigate through the video. The tortilla press coming in at number 5 on our list is the Verve Culture Tortilla Press Kit. When you have the Verve Culture Tortilla Press Kit, you can add homemade tortillas to your Taco Tuesdays. This made in Mexico device will take your Mexican-themed dinners to a whole new level. The cast iron is one of the features that our team liked, since this will help the product become more durable. It is used to make uniform, flat or finely ground maize tortillas. It is also quite eco-friendly, as the cast iron is made from recycled Singer sewing machines and other irons. This set contains an original powder-coated cast iron press for making excellent corn or finely ground maize tortillas. It includes a servlet napkin to keep your tortillas warm after they've been pressed and baked, as well as a booklet with helpful suggestions and recipes. This booklet will give you an idea that tortillas may be used for more than tacos, such as enchiladas, a Mexican favorite. Furthermore, the FDA-approved lead-free paint that prevents rust and flaking gives this tortilla press a brilliant red tint. Most importantly, this device is simple to operate. Place your dough ball between the plates and press it down. Now you can rotate and press your tortilla again, and it's ready to cook. The vintage-style model has a diameter of 6.5 inches, which is the size of a good street taco. This press produces uniform, flat tortillas due to its great size. And with proper care, it can last for a long time. The Verve Culture Tortilla Press Kit has been highly polished so that it can easily be left out on the counter as an amazing tool. This tortilla press is the perfect gift for anyone who enjoys cooking and is looking for new ideas on how to cook foods. The tortilla press coming in at number 4 on our list is the StarBlue Cast Iron Tortilla Press. The StarBlue Cast Iron Tortilla Press is an electric roti and tortilla maker. That is a great choice if you want to quickly make, cook, and keep your tortilla warm. It has 2 heavy-duty cast iron plates that can equally press flour dough without exerting too much power. The cast iron press from StarBlue measures 10 inches in diameter, so it is able to make tortillas that are a little bigger. This strongly built tortilla press comes pre-seasoned with linseed oil for giving you a hassle-free tortilla making time. There is also a neon light indicator that lets you know when your food is done. One feature that our team likes about this product is that it comes with 100 pieces of free oil paper, which you can use to separate your pressed doughs and make cooking easier. All of the components of this toaster are covered by durable stainless steel housing. Its design can help the machine's long-term resistance to corrosion. Also, because the non-stick coating on the plates, it is quite easy to clean. We found that the StarBlue products were created by people who spend the majority of their days in the kitchen, doing what they enjoy, and that is cooking. This StarBlue cast iron tortilla press is the appropriate size for all of your dough pressing needs. With this piece of equipment in your hands, you'll be able to improve workday meals or create an interesting dinner party menu that will impress both your friends and family. The tortilla press coming in at number 3 on our list is the Imusa Aluminum Tortilla Press. The Imusa Aluminum Tortilla Press will not disappoint you. If you're looking for a portable tortilla press that still produces decent-sized tortillas, it is a great aluminum tortilla press that can be used to make any form of bread you can think of, from chapatis to naan in the flour world to tacos and tortillas in the corn world. This item will also allow you to prepare a variety of delicacies. Surprisingly, this tortilla press gives precisely the right amount of leverage and completely traditional plate setup. This will help you make perfectly round tortillas with equally thick edges every time. The team in the kitchen appreciated the 8-inch pressing surface, which prevented the dough squeezing out the sides if it wasn't perfectly centered. With its build and design, this tortilla press will make it simple to operate for anyone. This implies that even children will have a good time learning to create tortillas with it. The press's aluminum body is sturdy enough to handle external shocks and jerks, though not as tough as cast iron. Because of the object's sturdy aluminum construction and finish, there is no chance of rust or corrosion. It's stain resistant, which eliminates the possibility of bacterial growth. The Imusa aluminum tortilla press is a space-saving unit with a sleek design and fairly lightweight construction that can be simply stored anywhere in the house. You can also keep the press on your counter for everyday usage and pull it in and out of storage as needed. This tortilla press can be a great gift for any occasion. The tortilla press coming in at number 2 on our list is the Casa cast iron tortilla press. If you want a tortilla press that will last for years, go no further than the Casa cast iron tortilla press. It is multifunctional kitchen equipment that can be used to produce more than simple tacos. It can also bring all of your kitchen recipes to life. This press will help you make whatever you want to wrap, from patacones, small pie shells, tostones, dumplings, chapatis, arepas, and more. The weight of this 8-inch wide tortilla press maker helps to lessen the amount of pressure you need to apply. It also appears to provide most owners with a consistent press, ensuring that your tortillas are even, no matter how thin or thick they are. This tortilla press comes with not 1, but 100 pieces of parchment paper to make tortillas at home making a great deal. With this equipment, you can always impress your friends with flawlessly shaped tortillas. All you have to do is make the dough, place it in the press, and press it. After that, you will have a tortilla that's ready to cook in your pan. This Casa cast iron tortilla press is built of high quality cast iron and includes replacement screws for the hinge mechanism in case they ever need to be replaced. This press will last for many years because of its heavy duty structure and high quality materials. This tortilla press comes pre-seasoned, so it's ready to use as soon as it arrives at your door, which our team highly appreciated. This tortilla press is highly recommended for its long life, quickness, and consistency. And finally, we come to the number 1 tortilla press on our list, the Victoria cast iron tortilla press. Since the Victoria cast iron tortilla press is handcrafted in Colombia, you can be sure you're getting a true traditional press made by tortilla masters. This tortilla press can produce evenly flat and circular rotis because of its heavy gauge. In addition to tortillas, this multi-purpose tortilla press can be used to create flatbreads, arepas, tostones, and empanadas. It comes pre-seasoned with 100% non-GMO flaxseed oil, so there's no need to season it before using it. With this tortilla press, making your tortillas is incredibly easy. All you have to do is make the dough, roll it into balls, and then use the tortilla press to press each one into an ideal shape. Because of its design, the dough is uniformly pressed when placed within, resulting in a nice flat roll with a flawlessly round edge. An additional screw is attached to the lever that comes with this item. That makes it powerful, allowing you to thin the dough to your desired thickness. This tortilla press is constructed from appropriate materials, which is cast iron. Cast iron is the preferred material for tortilla presses due to its durability and ease of usage. The fact that the Victoria press is made of high-quality cast iron means it is very resilient and will last for years of use. The Victoria cast iron tortilla press is a top seller because it provides a consistently high level of quality. Its design will also look great in your kitchen. It took the top spot on our list because of its amazing features, well-finished appearance, and reasonable price. And there you have it, folks, the 5 tortilla presses which got our team in the kitchen excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next tortilla press roundup, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comments section below, and we will be sure to look it over for our next update. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you in the kitchen again soon.